Hi everyone and welcome back to Talk with the Talent Quick Bites. So here we have a very special guest, our product director Nikhil Bhargav.
Hello everyone.
So Nikhil, me and all of our VBAs are super excited to know more about this new buzz in the town, the Vivo V23.
Here it is, the latest buzz in the town.
Wow. So I am really excited to talk more about it.
Well, then let's just get started.
So Nikhil, we all are really excited to know about the beautiful design that we get in our V23 series.
So Miraj, you'll be amazed to know that this V23 Pro is India's slimmest 3D curve smartphone.
India's slimmest, what does that really mean?
It means this. It is this slim. See that.
Wow, that is super slim.
But this is not the only thing about this.
Okay.
This comes with India's first color changing fluorite AG matte glass design. I'll show you what that means. Now this, when exposed to any UV light source, changes color. You'll see that happening now.
Oh wow. This is just pure magic, as you said. I mean, look at this color. It's beautiful.
I saw that. I'm going to need that back. But this is not the only thing. I have some more tricks up my sleeve.
Okay.
This is Stencil,
All right.
and that's the ultra beautiful V23 Pro.
What are you planning to do with this?
I'll show you. And this is regular UV light. All you
Okay.
have to do is this. Just expose it a bit to UV light, and what you get is ta-da!
Our Make in India, our very own Make in India logo. Something like this, the creativity of user has no limits. A product like this.
Well, I can see you are completely mesmerized with it.
Yes.
My job here is done. What's
Uh-huh.
it? Should we go for a run?
Yes. While we're at it, here's a question for all of you guys. Answer it and win exciting prizes. Well, that was quite a run.
Was for me. I'm not very sure if it was for you.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Let me show you something.
Okay.
You see this?
Yeah, that's a very good picture. Very clear too.
Let me show you something. You see this?
Yes.
This is when you ask me to go and run all by myself. And I caught you chilling.
Well, you caught me red-handed.
And that's the power of 108 MP ultra clear rear camera of V23 Pro.
Well, I'm just blown away by the clarity.
I think we've got enough workout for the day.
Yes, you're absolutely right. And here's a question for you all. Answer this and win exclusive prizes. So now, it's pretty evident that the back camera capabilities of Vivo V23 series is phenomenal. But Nikhil, front ka kya? Can it click selfies as stunning as it looks?
I see you have doubts. Let's put them to rest. Let's do a selfie contest.
Sure, I'm always game for that.
Your phone against mine.
This is the selfie from my phone.
And now use this.
Okay.
I know for sure that there is no camera which can come close to this.
You know why? Why?
Because this comes from India's first 50 MP eye autofocus dual selfie camera.
Yeah, that is pretty phenomenal. I mean, this ain't bad, but this just blows every selfie out of the water. But what about the performance? Is it great too?
What if I tell you that this is the most powerful V series device ever? This comes with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, and to top it all, it comes with an option of 12 GB RAM.
And I'll take that because I need to post that on Instagram.
You don't want to use your phone now?
No, I'm good with this one.
So while he is posting his selfies on Instagram, I have a question for you.
Thank you so much for joining us today. This has clearly been a super packed day. And to wrap it all up, with our selfie superstar. What do you think? Let's click a final selfie.
Let's do that.
Awesome. So for that, I have my ring light with us.
Really? एक selfie के लिए इतनी मेहनत? A ring light?
I mean, why not?
Let me give you your personal lighting assistant.
What does that mean?
With V23 series, what you get is dual tone spotlight.
Okay.
Now all you have to do is go to your selfie camera, start the spotlight,
Oh, wow.
and the beautiful thing is you can actually choose neutral, cold to warm light.
All right, Nikhil. So I'm trying this feature. Going to the spotlight, warm. Wow. This is really impressive. I really like how I look in the warm tones. Now I understand what you meant when you said it's a proper lighting assistance.
It is, it is.
The only thing is I don't know what to do with my ring light anymore.
Online बेच दो.
And let me put it on my Instagram.
Wait. I still haven't shown you my favorite feature, which
Please do.
is the party portrait. Click, and when the phone asks you to shake it, give it a shake. And what you get
Oh,
is
wow.
the most Instagram-worthy selfie. Now this you can post.
Wow. This is impressive. I like it so much.
So while he is again on Instagram, I have a question for you.
And with that, thank you so much for tuning with us today. Hope to see you guys very soon.
Do not forget to like and share. Cheers
And stay awesome.